ever finish a long day of treatments and still feel like your brain is buzzing and that your body is stuck in work mode? Yeah, I've been there too. I'm Bethany Wynn, an advanced clinical massage therapist based in London. And in this video, I want to share with you some really simple rituals that help me switch off, reset, and keep loving the work that I do in clinic. So stick around. These ideas might help you feel more grounded, more refreshed, and leave work at work. Massage therapy is beautiful and incredibly fulfilling, but it can also be demanding work, both physically, mentally, and emotionally. And for those of us who are self-employed or a mobile massage therapist, the line between work and personal life can become seriously blurred. That's why I wrote a blog all about creating start and end of day rituals, and I'm going to share a little bite-sized version of you right here in this video. Start of day rituals might include just 5 minutes of breathing, deep breathing, that box breath that we might do with clients to help shift into the day with clarity. I ask myself how it is that I want to show up for work that day. That one simple question can help change my whole mindset and set me up for success. I'll do a quick stretch and a warm up because we tell clients to look after our bodies and we need to be doing the same. And I like to settle into the space and set it up for success. A diffuser on, low music and a tidy table so that the vibe is right before I even welcome in a client. And even just checking in with myself and asking, how is it that I feel today? Helps me connect before supporting and connecting with others. And at the end of the day, I might shake it out, do a little bit of movement practice to clear the residual energy. I slow down with some intentional hand washing, bit of breathing, symbolically washing away the day. I step away from emails and booking apps. Trust me, it can wait. I might write a couple of sentences in a journal, what went well, what I'm leaving behind for the day. Then I anchor with something grounding like a cup of tea, a candle on, or a walk or a moment of stillness. I'll sometimes do a release of any lingering client energy, especially after a heavier session. I don't do all of these things every day, and I wouldn't expect you to do either. Pick one or two that might speak to you and start from there. So here's your invitation to try something new. Try one new ritual this week, whether it's breath work in the morning or a cup of tea and a journal moments after your last client has left, and see how it feels. I'd love to know what works for you. What's one thing that helps you wind down after a long day? Pop it in the comments below. You never know that your ritual might inspire someone else. And if you want the full breakdown and more ideas and examples, head to the blog. The link's in the description below. You'll find more information about me and how I work as a massage therapist at winmassage.com or Instagram at winmassage. Thanks for watching. Here's to taking our energy back.